Okay, so the client wanted me to turn around this outlet to face inside of the bathroom. So these are these old metal boxes. They're a real pain in the neck to use. So if you're gonna change this around, I recommend getting a 4x4 box like this and get a plaster guard to convert it to a single box. This will make it easier to convert it. So we're gonna turn off the power to this, take this outlet out, and put a new box facing inside the bathroom. So we're gonna go turn off the breaker. You don't have to come. Oh, there it is. Did you get that? Yeah. Since I don't know where these actually go, and I'm gonna be putting drywall. I don't want to put an outlet on there yet. I'm just gonna pigtail these together. Just prep them for the outlet. I'm just gonna take some of my 12-2 wire. And since this is a metal box, you want to use some ground screws to ground the box. Okay, so now we're in good shape. We'll put our outlet in after we get the drywall in.